Maximus Analysis here for August 3rd, 2016. And looking at the ES, again, real choppy day. So let's look at the intraday. We're going to look at the 15-minute. And you can see that there wasn't much really going on. This is probably the majority of the session right here. And there wasn't really a lot of movement. So again, if you're day trading and you didn't trade today, congratulations. Because days like this, you will get chopped up and you will take 1-2 trades. You'll get a lot of binary candles, meaning you'll get up candles, down candles, up candles, down candles. All the candlestick guys were kind of all over the place. The breakout guys got broken, again, pulled back because once they see the breakout, then they broke it out and it was the end of the session. So this is just AKA all what I just said is just a bunch of chop, and congratulations if you didn't trade it. You might not hear a lot of that from a lot of other people, but again, of course, they'll tell you that they took, they faded all this stuff and blah, 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 blah. It's better when there's choppy days to sit on your hands. So with that being said, we're looking on the weekly time frame now, and you can see that we're still setting up for a pullback into the 2134 breakout level and potentially a 2100 and 2080 area. Again, that would give us the pullback that we want in order to get back long. I'm not chasing this at all. I sent out the newsletter that you guys saw from 2 weeks ago. I'll send you out if you want this week's newsletter. Just not chasing here, waiting for the setup at the end of the day. NQ is up about 12. This is the weekly chart. Indecision for the week. Not a lot of action going on. You could just do a whole lot of nothing, but you got to wait for the setup and have patience for it to come up. YM, we don't look at this that much, but again, a pullback to the 17,900 level could be the long setting up for you guys. Crude had a great day today, actually, and it's setting up to this price level that we were talking about. So I want to see where this closes, and I might start a position at the end of this week, but I really like this, where this is going, and this is the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Ideally, you always want so if you're on the bull side, you want the right shoulder to be higher. If this was upside down, you would want let me show you. You would basically want, for those that don't know about this pattern, you would want that if it was the left shoulder head, you would like this right shoulder to be lower so it could go down. So what we have is the exact opposite here, which is setting up for the potential long going in. Again, 26 was what we were kind of looking at, 25, 26. Again, if they break down below this, I'm looking at 38 to be the low that they get to. Again, the higher right shoulder would be actually great to start a position maybe on Friday for that one. Gold broke down a little bit. Again, those that took the trade, you can go to break even on this. Again, if you get another retest, remember we talked about these levels before. So again, if you're in, I would say go break even on you should be in the money. Go break even. If it breaks down, you could always get back in around a test of this level or a test of these previous highs here around 1287.5. Now, there wasn't much going on with regards to the indexes, equities. So you had Apple basically not really doing much, up about $1 something, nothing really crazy. You're starting to get a lot of where the hell are they going type of price movements. So you're getting down day, engulfing, now gap up half the day. I'm just waiting for this to kind of clear itself out. Amazon, again, I prefer to have what we talked about, which is a lower high to go into. Upper resistance is still holding. Again, they could pop up a little bit more, but we'll just watch this. But the lower high is better because there's really no resistance above besides these levels, and 800 could be the magnet, but we'll continue to watch and see that one. Google, I'm watching on the weekly time frame to see where this is going to close, because again, we have this would be the target and resistance for Google is the 821, which is a very big level of resistance. So we'll see if they'll push into that this week, or they're going to go down with like a shooting star pattern. But we'll continue to watch here. And last but not least, you have Tesla, which is announcing now actually. So based on where this pattern is. I'm not sure, so let's break it down, see if they've moved a little bit. That's the weekly. We'll go to the daily. Again, you can see it's just been sideways for a little bit, preparing for this earnings announcement, and then this is the 15-minute. So just wiping stuff out currently, and I think that it's probably going to be in another, to 20-30 minutes or something like that. So we'll see. Again, I'll see what's going on with Tesla, and we'll make the adjustments accordingly. There's no position for that right now. So again, if you're not on the newsletter, please let me know. Shoot me an email. Do those weekly. Trying to get this quality material out to people, and also give quality material in regards to the videos and everything. So trying to hit them on two forefronts. And again, that has some type of stock pits, which I'll do more when the time is right. But I'm only doing like 2-3 so far. So at the end of that, so I'm going over the overall markets, but in a deeper and given a lot of price levels that you can leverage off of, and then we'll see where things go. So again, Tesla, good luck to those playing the earnings. You could be using options or whatever, picking a direction. Good luck. And again, there was not much to talk about today, so I don't want to drag this out too much. Did see, however, that there was a little bit of pulling in the. Let me see if I can get this puppy to work. Yes. So this is the euro. Saw a little pulling so far in the euro. You can see it's pretty choppy, but saw that, and also saw a little pulling on the Swiss franc. So we'll watch that again. It's just a choppy market in this, really choppy market, but just seeing a lower high in place. And so, okay, we're going to watch this because currency land hasn't really looked that good so far. So we'll see if this low is going to hold right here. But again, this is a bearish engulfing pattern, and you can see it's taken out 2 days low, or 2 days back low already. So kind of want to see where this is going, and you can already see the low high that's setting up. So watching those things and seeing currency land, and go from there. So take care, and trade them well.